Now let's take a live look over the Virginia Beach Oceanfront. Tomorrow, cars will start lining up to check out the holiday lights at the beach. But tonight, dozens of cyclists got a chance to bike through the dazzling display before it officially opens. New at 11, photojournalist Aniya Neal has a preview.
This is the kickoff of the 30th edition of Holiday Lights. We kick off tonight with a free event. So tomorrow night on Friday, we start our nightly holiday light show for the vehicles, Friday, November 15th, all the way through December 31st. And then January 1st, we're doing a free first night hike night where you can only walk it for 3 years. But this is the third year we've had holiday bike night. You can bike through the lights for free. Tonight's special because it's raining, it's cold, it's windy. There's hurricane bands are coming, but there are still people coming out because they love the holiday lights. They love being able to get out here on their bikes, and we love doing it for them. 30 years, yeah, it kind of speaks for itself about how important and how fun this event is. But we're excited about it. Every night I come out here, I see young families with their kids in the back seat. And they tell me every night they bring their kids because their parents brought their kids. So it truly has become a tradition, and it's a great piece for the oceanfront.
Again, the display opens up to cars tomorrow. It's open every night at 5:30 until December 31st. The line to get in starts at 2nd Street. Just follow the signs, and time-slotted tickets are available online.